How does category targeting work in Amazon PPC? Category targeting basically means that you're going to specific not one product, but one specific category or category of products. And what you're doing here, the simplest way, you would go to sponsor product ads, you would create product targeting ad, and then there you can select between categories. Keep in mind that right now in 2026, not only product targeting, but also keyword targeting campaigns can become category targets. The keywords related to your branded terms and keywords related to your brand. There are two separate categories, and Amazon will treat them as category. And then once that you're going to download your search term reports, there you will see the exact terms that were generated. So that is also considered category targeting campaign, and that's something that I would advise you to check out. It's interesting research on what we found. Most of the time, this can become really gold mines and sometimes flops. What I would advise is, if you're going to start, just check out these campaigns, be as low as possible until you still have impression and still have some data to see how are they going to work generally for the campaign. When it comes to category targeting, sometimes they can work really well depending on the brand. This is why I'm not saying this is the best strategy ever. For some brands it works really well, for others it's like we gathered this sufficient data to understand that it's not going to work. So basically that's what category targeting ads are, and this is how they work.